Hey everybody, this is Jan from our Serenity Homestead. I made a quick trip up to the Shabin, and as soon as I got there I pulled all the game camera cards and went through them. I had over 800 videos on one camera in particular, and probably 300 of those pictures were birds scratching around looking for something to eat. So the next morning I called my friends at the Donahue Homestead, borrowed their son Nate, and we put up a bird feeder. So stay tuned. Fire is stoked. Bed is made. Well, bed's about to get tore up because I'm about to get in it. All my reading is done. It's time for bed. It's been raining, well, a slow sprinkle for about 8 hours now. I just got up. Got my fire going. Good morning, rain. We got the coffee cooking. Ought to be ready here pretty soon. It's boiling over. I better take care of that. Then I'll make my breakfast and head out. Coffee and some wild hog sausage, and I'm gonna make some eggs to go with it. Okay, sausage is done, and now working on the toast. Should be done pretty soon. Go ahead and turn it. Oh, that one's too soon. Works better when there's 4 pieces on there. It holds the heat in. And if this doesn't toast up soon, I'll put some foil on either side. But it works. Okay, so now we have toast and sausage and cooking on the egg, and coffee is done. About to be getting the breakfast on. Come on, eggs. thought we'd put up a feeder for all these birds that I've been catching on my game feeder, or my game cameras. Half the time the camera takes a picture of little birds trying to dig up stuff in the grass, so we're gonna feed them.